What's up, YouTube? Got a quick video on how to change out the headlights in your GMC Sonoma or Jimmy and bring it back to life and make it look 10 times better. Super easy. These are the easiest headlights I've ever changed out on any vehicle. So let me flip the camera around and show you the difference. 7,500 bucks will make on your old S10, GMC, Sonoma, Jimmy, Blazer. They all look the same basically. Just a little bit different, but it'll bring it right back to life. All right, so this is our project truck that's going under the knife today. 2001 GMC Sonoma. Basically the GMC version of a Chevy S10. Regular cab, short bed with the Z06 Corvette wheels on it. We're getting ready to put a 4.3 drop on it, or 3.4, depending on how you want to say it. 3 in the front, 4 in the back. We already got the new clear headlight in on this side. I went with like the Euro style all clears. Real popular in the 90s and early 2000s in the mini truck scene. And that's what this truck's gonna be kind of an ode to. I got them from Jegs. I think they're like 80 bucks shipped. You can get them from Amazon, eBay. I think Summit may even carry them. I just like Jegs. They always get stuff here real fast, and I've never had an issue with them, so I ordered them through them. But as you can see, the difference a new headlight makes. I mean, it's just night and day, literally. You can see at night again. This literally took me about 5 minutes to install. Super easy. All you gotta do is these little tabs right here. Just pull them up. Boom. Headlight pops out. I put a little rag right here. That way I don't scratch the bumper. I just painted it so the paint's a little fresh. Don't want to redo any of that crap. And then all you do is just start popping your lights out. Pop them in the new headlight. The headlight, these little clips right here, let me get it right there. Clip in right there. Each side of the headlight has it. And then these little square holes or square pegs go in the square hole, just like when you're in kindergarten. And then these will stick through the back side of this. And you just, let me put it back on there. Slide it down and it'll go over those little pegs, hold it in. And then obviously, you know, you have your adjustment screws that you'll have to do at night. Park it in front of your shop doors or garage and you can aim it all. Super easy. But anyways, guys, quick little video. Just wanted to help anybody out wanting to update their old GMC Sonoma Jimmy and throw some Euro clears in it. Or I mean, you can buy any brand headlight. They'll all work. So it's the same process for all of them. But anyways, guys, hope this video helped. Check out the others on the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, help me out. I'll catch you on the next vid. Peace.